All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a pretty exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and what I got right here in front of you is a battle of the boats. We got some two heavyweight cars right here. On my left-hand side, I'm back here with the 2021 Mercedes GT63 AMG. This car has been featured on the channel several times. Now, just a little recap of what's done to this car. He's on upgraded intakes, downpipes, and a custom 93 tune with a CPC and a TCU tune. He's a full weight car, and these cars weigh around 4,700 pounds, and they are all-wheel drive. Now, he is estimated to be somewhere around the 700 wheel horsepower range. He's not 100% sure because this car has been street tuned, and he's been running up against a 2018 Audi RS7 Performance. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it ran up against Audi TTRS. Now, this car is pretty basic. All it has is a drop-in air filters and an OTS 93 tune from APR. Nothing else is done to the car. The owner is estimating this car to be somewhere around the 600 wheel horsepower range. It is a heavy car, a little bit lighter than the AMG. It weighs around 4,500 pounds, and they're also all-wheel drive. So, unfortunately, for you guys, since both of these cars are all-wheel drive, I can't get a dig for you guys because the AMG's tires are worn out. So we're only going to be doing some rolls for this race. But I did try. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. Alright, guys. So I'm here in the AMG. And the first race we're going to do is from 40 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's close. Wow, what a race. Alright, guys, on to round 2. We are going to do a 60 roll.